Hey everyone, and welcome. So, did you know that even native English speakers sometimes struggle to express themselves fluently? It's true. We've all been there, searching for the right word mid-sentence or stumbling over a tricky pronunciation. It happens. But the good news is, fluency isn't some magical talent you're born with. It's a skill you can absolutely learn and improve, just like playing an instrument or learning to code. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. In this video, we're going to explore some super practical techniques and exercises that will help you unlock your English fluency and speak with more confidence and ease. We're talking about going beyond just knowing the words, and actually being able to use them smoothly and naturally in conversation. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the key principles behind fluency, but you'll also have some actionable strategies you can start using right away to see real improvement in your spoken English. Think about being able to effortlessly participate in conversations, share your ideas clearly, and connect with others on a deeper level, all in English. Sounds pretty great, right? And hey, stick around till the very end, because I'm going to share a bonus tip. My personal secret weapon. For overcoming that frustrating feeling of, I know what I want to say, but I just can't find the words. Trust me, it's a game changer. So, are you ready to boost your English fluency and unlock your full potential? Let's get started. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the gentle hum of conversation filled the Book Nook, a charming cafe nestled in a quiet corner of the city. Liam, a budding writer with a mop of unruly brown hair and a perpetually curious expression, sat hunched over a notebook, his brow furrowed in concentration. Across from him sat Maya, an artist with vibrant pink streaks in her hair and an infectious laugh that could brighten even the dreariest of days. Liam's challenge? He was determined to weave a tapestry of rich, evocative language in his latest story. But his vocabulary felt like a threadbare blanket, inadequate for the task. It's like trying to paint a masterpiece with only 3 colors, he sighed, tapping his pen against the worn cover of his notebook. I want to capture the essence of this bustling market scene, the vibrant energy, the kaleidoscope of sights and sounds, but the words, they just feel flat. Maya, ever the optimist, offered a reassuring smile. Don't be so hard on yourself, Liam. Every artist faces creative blocks. Think of it as an opportunity, a chance to expand your palette. You just have to be fearless in chasing new words. Fearless? Liam echoed, a hint of skepticism in his voice. It feels more like facing a firing squad of unfamiliar syllables. Maya chuckled. It's not that dramatic. Think of it as an adventure. Every new word you discover is like finding a hidden gem. It adds a sparkle to your writing, a nuance, a layer of depth. But where do I even begin? Liam asked, his eyes scanning the bustling cafe. A woman at the next table was engrossed in a thick novel, her lips moving silently as she read. A barista steamed milk with practiced ease, the hiss of the machine punctuating the ambient chatter. Maya pointed to the woman reading. See her? She's probably immersed in a world of captivating words. Go ask her what she's reading. You might discover something new. Liam hesitated. Approaching a stranger felt daunting, but Maya's encouraging gaze spurred him on. He took a deep breath and walked over to the woman, a shy smile playing on his lips. "Excuse me," he began, his voice a little shaky. "I couldn't help but notice you're engrossed in your book. Would you mind telling me what you're reading?" The woman looked up, startled, then smiled warmly. "Of course. It's The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. Have you read it?" Liam shook his head. "No, I haven't. Is it good?" "Oh, it's enchanting," the woman replied, her eyes sparkling with enthusiasm. "The language is absolutely exquisite. Morgenstern paints such vivid pictures with her words. It's like stepping into a dream." Intrigued, Liam thanked her and returned to Maya, his mind buzzing with possibilities. "She said the language is exquisite," he repeated, savoring the word. "I'm going to look that up." He pulled out his phone and searched for the definition. "Exquisite. Extremely beautiful and delicate," he read aloud. "Perfect. That's exactly the word I need to describe the intricate carvings on the market stalls." Over the next few weeks, Liam embraced Maya's advice. He became a word hunter, stocking new vocabulary with a newfound zeal. He devoured books, listened intently to conversations, and jotted down unfamiliar words in a small notebook he carried everywhere. He even started a word of the day ritual with Maya, sharing their latest linguistic discoveries over cups of coffee at the book nook. One afternoon, while browsing in a second-hand bookstore, a particular title caught his eye. Sesquipedalianism, a celebration of big words. He chuckled at the irony and picked it up. Flipping through the pages, he stumbled upon the word ephemeral, which perfectly described the fleeting beauty of the cherry blossoms he had witnessed earlier that week. Vocabulary explanation. Exquisite. Meaning, extremely beautiful and delicate. Example. The wedding cake was exquisite, adorned with intricate sugar flowers. Ephemeral. Meaning, lasting for a very short time. Example. The beauty of the cherry blossoms is ephemeral, lasting only a few weeks. He felt a surge of excitement. His vocabulary was growing, expanding beyond his wildest expectations. He was no longer intimidated by unfamiliar words. He embraced them, relishing their unique power to express the nuances of his thoughts and feelings. One evening, back at the book nook, Liam shared his latest story with Maya. As she read, a smile spread across her face. "This is incredible, Liam," she said, her voice filled with admiration. "The language is so rich and evocative. I can almost feel the bustling energy of the market, smell the spices, hear the chatter of the crowd." Liam beamed. He had finally captured the essence of his story, weaving a tapestry of words that resonated with life and vibrancy. He realized that being fearless in chasing new words wasn't just about improving his writing. It was about enriching his entire experience of the world. Speaking practice. Practice speaking this sentence aloud. He was no longer intimidated by unfamiliar words. He embraced them, relishing their unique power to express the nuances of his thoughts and feelings. He looked around the cafe, his eyes lingering on the woman engrossed in her book. He remembered the spark of connection they had shared over a single word, and he knew that his journey of linguistic exploration had only just begun. Each new word was a key, unlocking new doors of understanding, new avenues of expression, and a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the English language. Okay, as promised, here's your bonus tip for today. Turn on English subtitles while watching your favorite movies or TV shows. This easy trick helps you connect the spoken words with their written form, improving both your listening comprehension and vocabulary without even realizing you're studying. It's a fun and effortless way to immerse yourself in the language. I truly appreciate you sticking with me till the very end of this video. Thank you for dedicating your precious time and effort to improving your English. It means a lot to me. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to reach more learners like you. And if you know someone else striving to improve their English, sharing this video could make a real difference in their journey. After all, learning together is always more fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow along for more stories, tips, and techniques to help you master the English language. I'm constantly working on bringing you new and engaging content, so stay tuned. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate every small victory, and never stop believing in your ability to achieve fluency. Take care of yourselves, stay positive, and keep practicing. I'll be back tomorrow with another story, so I hope to see you then. Bye for now.